Alright, so hello everybody, welcome back to my video once again. So I hope all of you well and having really good time. So Alhamdulillah, I'm having great time. So today in this video, I would love to share with you how can you start your journey from zero. Actually, for learning English, what kinds of things you need. So at first, I believe, and I have to believe these things, you need or you have to have a strong mindset. Without mindset, nothing will be possible. So it is actually learning journey, language learning journey. So it is a long-term process. It is not a short-time process. So you have to understand it, my dear brothers and sisters. So we all want to learn English. It is very well. I appreciate it. But you have to have a strong mentality. You have to have a strong mentality, my dear brothers and sisters. A strong desire. Is truly important things. So I believe you will be able to speak English within 6 months, within 1 year. Just you have to be consistent and you have to be determined. So my dear brother and sister, just do it. And I believe you can do everything. So my topic was actually how can you start your English journey. So at first I have to say it is actually long-term process. It is a long-term process, not short-term process. And some brothers ask me, brother, please give me some suggestions. Actually, shortcut. Please give me some shortcuts. So, brothers, actually, English doesn't have shortcuts, and shortcuts is not well thing. So you have to choose a long-term process things. So which can lead you to a better position. So I believe actually these things might be helpful for you. So my dear brother and sister, you have to invest your time properly on your journey. So without investing time, nothing will be possible, you know very well. So I believe, and I have to believe these things, and every day I am investing lots of time or in my, actually you can say, on my study or on my learning journey. So you have to invest time on your journey. So this thing you have to do at first, and then you can actually start your learning journey. So first of all, you have to have strong desire, strong mindset, strong mentality. It will be enough, I believe. Just you need desire for your dream, and then you can start your grammar parts. You're going to start your speaking, you're going to start listening, you're going to start writing. So all parts are so important. So you have to actually exercise all parts. So you have to study properly. So this is the basic things we have to follow, my dear brother and sister. I don't want it no longer. See you some another video. All the best.